students, let's solve some more questions based on a vector equation and Cartesian equation of line. So let's solve this question first. Find the vector equation of the line passing through the point whose position vector is 3 cap plus j cap minus k cap and which is parallel to the vector 2 cap minus j cap plus 2 k cap. So this is equation of line passing through a point and parallel to a vector. And one more part is added here, that if P is a point on the line such that distance AP is 15, then find position vector of P. So this is the new part here we are solving. So given is A bar, point on the line which is 3 cap plus j cap minus k cap, and the line is parallel to the vector B bar which is 2 cap minus j cap plus 2 k cap. So vector equation of the line is r bar equal to A bar plus lambda B bar. So let's substitute A bar and B bar in the equation. So the equation becomes r bar equal to A bar, that is 3 cap plus j cap minus k cap plus lambda into B bar, 2 cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. So this is first part of the question, that is vector equation of the line passing through point and parallel to vector. Now the next part is we have to find a point on the line such that its distance from point A is 15. So for that we need arbitrary point on the straight line. So equation of the line is this, that means what? Multiplying by lambda, this becomes 3 cap plus j cap minus k cap plus 2 lambda I cap minus lambda j cap plus 2 lambda k cap. So taking I cap common from these two terms, we have 3 plus 2 lambda I cap. Then taking j cap common from these two terms, we have 1 minus lambda j cap, and for k cap we have minus 1 plus 2 lambda k cap. So this is equation of the line, same equation, same line. That means what? Any point, take any point on the line and it is of the form 3 plus 2 lambda, that is x coordinate, y coordinate is 1 minus lambda, and z coordinate is minus 1 plus 2 lambda. So if we take a point say P x y z on the line, then it is of the form 3 plus 2 lambda 1 minus lambda minus 1 plus 2 lambda, and we have to find value of lambda for which this distance AP is 15. So let's write the equation here. The given equation is AP equal to 15. So to avoid the square root sign, let's square this. So AP square is equal to 15 square, that is 225. Now let's find out AP square using distance formula. So we have P here and point A is 3, 1 minus 1, as its position vector is 3 cap plus j cap minus k cap. So AP square, x2 minus x1 square, 3 plus 2 lambda minus 3 square. So 3 plus 2 lambda minus 3 bracket square. Next is y2 minus y1 square, 1 minus lambda minus 1 square, plus z2 minus z1 square, minus 1 plus 2 lambda minus minus plus 1, minus 1 plus 2 lambda minus minus plus 1 square is equal to 225. So here 3 get cancelled, here 1 get cancelled, and here also this 1 get cancelled. So 2 lambda square becomes 4 lambda square, minus lambda bracket square is lambda square, then 2 lambda bracket square is 4 lambda square equal to 225. So adding this we have 9 lambda square equal to 2 to 5. So lambda square 225 divided by 9. So that is 25. So value of lambda taking square root, it is either 5 or minus 5. So let's put first of all lambda equal to 5 and then lambda equal to minus 5. So if lambda equals to 5, point P becomes lambda equals to 5, 3 plus 2 into 5. Y coordinate is 1 minus lambda, that is 1 minus 5, and minus 1 plus 2 lambda, that is 2 into 5. So simplifying this, we have 3 plus 10, that is 13, 1 minus 5 minus 4, minus 1 plus 10, that is 9. And if lambda equal to minus 5, then coordinates are 3 minus 10. So I am writing the same thing, but here I am changing the sign as it is. Instead of 5 now minus 5. So that this is 1 minus lambda, that is 1 minus minus 5, that is 1 plus 5, minus 1 minus 2 into 5 as it is minus 5. So 3 minus 10 is minus 7, then 6, minus 1 minus 10 is minus 11. So if point A is like this, then we have 2 points on the line which are at a distance of 15 from point A. So one on the either side of A. So we have those points as 13, minus 4, 9, and the second one is minus 7, 6, minus 11. Next question is, if the lines x minus 1 upon 2 equal to y plus 1 upon 3 equal to z minus 1 upon 4 and x minus 2 upon 1 equal to y plus m upon 2 equal to z minus 2 upon 1 intersect each other, find m. So let's solve this question. So for that I have written those two equations here. Equation of first line, if it is equal to lambda, then let's write coordinates of any point on the straight line x, y, z, and the second equation is also given. So let's equate it with mu, and let's write coordinates of any point on the straight line in terms of mu. So here if we cross multiply, what we get is x minus 1 equal to 2 lambda, then y plus 1 equal to 3 lambda, and z minus 1 equal to 4 lambda. So x is 2 lambda plus 1, y equal to 3 lambda minus 1, z equal to 4 lambda plus 1. So these are coordinates of any point on the straight line. Here we have x minus 2 equal to mu, y plus m equal to 2 mu, and z minus 2 equal to 1 into mu, that is mu. So coordinates of the point, of any point on the second straight lines are in the form x equal to mu plus 2, y equal to 2 mu minus m, and z equal to mu plus 2. Okay. Now the point of intersection lies on both the lines. So point of intersection can be written in the form 2 lambda plus 1, 3 lambda minus 1, 4 lambda plus 1 for some value of lambda, and it can be written in the form u plus 2, 2 mu minus m, mu plus 2 for some particular value of mu. So equating these two equations, let's find out those values. So for the point of intersection, these x coordinates, they coincide. So we have 2 lambda plus 1. So this x coordinate is same as x coordinate of the point, any point on the second straight line. But for point of intersection, these two are equal. Now equating the y coordinates, we have 3 lambda minus 1 equal to 2 mu minus m, and for z coordinates we have the equation 4 lambda plus 1 equal to mu plus 2. So to find value of m, here we have 3 equations and 3 unknowns. So first of all, let's write equation in terms of lambda and mu. So it is 2 lambda minus mu equal to 2 minus 1, that is 1. Now second equation becomes 3 lambda minus 2 mu equal to minus m minus minus plus 1. And the third equation is 4 lambda minus mu equal to 2 minus 1, that is 1. So let this be equation number 1, this is equation number 2, and this is equation number 3. Now equations 1 and 3, they contain only lambda and mu. So we can solve these two equations simultaneously and we can find value of lambda and mu. And substituting those values of lambda and mu in second equation, we can find m. So which is our question. So adding, subtracting these two equations, mu get cancelled and we get value of lambda. So subtracting, we get 2 lambda minus 4 lambda, that is minus 2 lambda, minus mu, minus minus plus mu get cancelled, and 1 minus 1 gives us 0. So minus 2 lambda equals to 0. So this implies value of lambda is 0. Substituting lambda equals to 0 in equation 1, we have 0 minus mu equal to 1. That means mu is minus 1. Substituting in equation 2, we have 3 lambda, but lambda is 0, so this becomes 0. Minus 2 mu, that is minus 1, equal to minus m plus 1. So 2 equals to minus m plus 1. So 2 minus 1 equal to minus m. So value of m equals to minus 1. So solving these two equations simultaneously, we can find lambda and mu, and substituting those values, we can find m. Point A, B and C are given here. So those 3 points are given. Find the vector equation of line AB and hence show that. So I forgot to write hence here. Hence show that the points A, B, C are collinear. That means using the vector equation of the line only, we have to prove those points are collinear. Because to prove 3 points are collinear, we know that we can prove that AB bar is a scalar multiple of AC bar. So that is one of the technique to prove 3 points are collinear. Or you can find the distance also. You can find the distances AB, BC, AC, and you can prove that one of the distance is equal to sum of the other two distances to prove those points collinear. Okay, let's find out vector equation of the line, and using that, let's prove that C lies on the same line. So to find vector equation of the line AB, so the form is R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda B bar minus A bar. So this is vector equation of line passing through points A and B having position vectors A bar and B bar respectively. So we have to substitute the position vectors. So R bar is equal to A bar first, which is minus 2 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 4 k cap. So this is A bar. Lambda into B bar minus A bar. B is 1, 1, 2. A is minus 2, 3, 4. So B bar minus A bar is 1 minus minus 2. So 1 plus 2 I cap. Then we have 1 minus 3 j cap. And a term in k cap is 2 minus 4 k cap. So it is R bar equal to minus 2 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 4 k cap plus lambda into 3 I cap minus 2 j cap 2 minus 4, that is minus 2 k cap. Okay, so we have r bar now. So to prove that r bar means we have the vector equation. So we have to prove that the point C lies on the same line. So here we have to prove that C lies on the same line. That means we have to prove that the coordinates of C or the position vector of C satisfies this equation. Let's find out lambda for C. So C bar is 4 I cap minus j cap. So this r bar, we have to put r bar as 4 I cap minus j cap. So substituting C bar in above equation, we have 4 I cap minus j cap equal to. Now as we have one term in I cap and one term in j cap, as z is 0 here, term in k cap is absent. So here also in right hand side, let's write only one term in I cap. So what is it? Minus 2 I cap plus 3 lambda I cap. That means it is minus 2 plus 3 lambda I cap. So that we can equate these coefficients and we can find value of lambda. So we will be having three equations in terms of lambda, and let's find out value of lambda and let's prove that we get the same value of lambda in each case. Term in j is 3 minus 2 lambda j cap, and term in k cap is, here we have 4 and here multiplying by lambda we have minus 2 lambda. So taking those two terms together, 4 minus 2 lambda k cap. So now let's equate the coefficients and let's find out whether we get same value of lambda in all the three equations. So the first equation becomes 4 equals to minus 2 plus 3 lambda. So 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 equal to 3 lambda implies lambda equals to 2. Dividing by 3, we get value of lambda as 2. So solving first equation, we get value of lambda as 2. Now let's solve equation number 2. That means equating coefficients of j cap. So here it is minus 1 and here it is 3 minus 2 lambda. So minus 1 minus 3 equal to minus 2 lambda. So minus 4 equal to minus 2 lambda. So again we have same value of lambda. By dividing both sides by minus 2, we get lambda equals to 2. For the last one, here term in k cap is absent. That means it is 0. Sorry. Here it is 4 minus 2 lambda. So minus 4 equals to minus 2 lambda. So again we have lambda equals to 2. So in all the three equations we have the same value of lambda, that is 2. Therefore the points A, B, C are collinear as C lies on line AB. Therefore the points A, B, C are collinear. Okay. So this is your today's assignment. Find the coordinates of the points on the line x minus 1 upon 1 equal to y minus 2 upon minus 2 equal to z minus 3 upon 2, which are at a distance of 3 units from the point A, 1, 2, 3. In the next question, 3 points are given. So now you have to find out Cartesian equation of line AB. So use the form x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1 equal to y minus 1 upon y2 minus y1 equal to z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1, and hence prove that the points are collinear. So first find this Cartesian equation of AB and substitute coordinates of C, that is 2, 1, 3 in the equation, and prove the equality so that the point C satisfies the equation. So it lies on the same line AB. So those 3 points will be collinear. Okay, I hope you understood this question and you can solve those questions. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.